Future Foundation X-Gen 100 moving die rheometer is a computerized, user-friendly, totally closed die system rheometer for in-house quality control tool to monitor cure characteristics of a compound. Powder-coated sturdy body for industrial usage. Tabletop model for user-friendly operation. Solid-state electronics. Low-noise pneumatics. Low-wattage heaters mounted in direct contact with dies for precise temperature control. Excellent insulation for rapid temperature recovery. PID controller and PT100 sensors for isothermic profile. Oscillating arc of 0.5 degree and 1 degree at 100 RPM. Sensitive and accurate torque transducer mounted on the top die assembly to avoid bearing and motor drive system friction. Totally sealed die cavity allows full torque development. Elastomeric seals for long life. Future Foundation X-Gen 100 MDR is equipped with onboard CPU to capture and analyze the torque signal. This onboard CPU has LCD display and keyboard, which allows MDR to be used as standalone without PC and with PC. User-friendly software allows repeated testing and paperless storage of large data for future analysis. Software allows to create on-screen quality control gates for pass-fail criteria. A typical graph shows elastic phase, viscous phase, and their ratio tan delta. Torque values like elastic ml and mh, and S prime at ml and mh. Tan delta at ml and mh. Time values like TS2, TC50 and TC90. The initial part of graph is the reflection of processability, middle part as curing characteristics, and final part as physical properties. After entering the test details on the screen, the sample is placed in the die cavity and the start button is pressed. Torque versus time graph is displayed on the monitor. At the end of the test, the results are calculated and displayed on the monitor. Calibration is performed with the help of torsion spring torque standard developed as per ASTM standard. Calibration is traceable to NABL lab. Future Foundation MDR can also be supplied with pressure sensor for testing soft compounds.